My kings, I think there is need for us to hasten slowly. I'm of the opinion that the prince and the princess should be given some time to know themselves better before uniting them as man and wife. That is my humble opinion.
No, you've said it all. You are correct.
I believe that when they live together, they begin to adjust to knowing themselves better. And we all know too that as couple stay in marriage, they also grow in love for themselves. So for me, I believe that when they are married, they begin to understand themselves better and grow in love.
My dear friend, you are absolutely correct. Like we all know, marriage is an institution. We learn each other every day, just like my wife here. Huh? So I don't see anything bad.
Your Majesty, I think Onowu here has a point. They are our children and our future king and queen, and also they are adults. We have to count one before counting two or three or thereabout. We are still living an assumption. My humble suggestion, Your Majesty, is for us to wait for a moment. Please.
I beg to speak, my fathers. I know I ought not to speak, but this is crucial, and my voice needs to be heard. This marriage can still hold, but definitely not today.
Why not, if I may ask? We all planned this together before coming to this place. So why taking it for another day?
Your Highness, I need to know the princess. I need to be close to her. I need to be her friend. We need to be friends before going into marriage. Please, give me some time. That is all I ask.
Princess Isioma will be found and brought back to my kingdom in safe hands. But why that is yet to happen. Urena, my first daughter, shall be the future queen of Immerse Kingdom.
I keep telling this girl that her phone IC is bad. I told her, but she didn't listen. She keeps stressing me every time. Eh? This thing is bad.
Sorry. Please, how much orange should I even cut for you? How much did you say?
Like 500 is fine.
Okay, 500. Hey, Ogeziafa, your friend called me yesterday and he said he was telling me to convince you to go to Umuze with him for Princess's wedding. He was trying to make me convince you. Don't know.
Okay, said that to you?
Mm-hmm. He did.
Please don't pay attention to him. Why should you be the one to convince me? Does that make sense?
I wonder. I've been asking myself the same question.
Please don't pay attention to him, I beg. What kind of stupid talk is that?
But why don't you want to go? Why don't you want to follow him? I thought you and Princess, you two are like very close. You two are friends.
We used to be friends before, but not anymore. Besides, I was going to go to my maternal home, but I changed my mind.
Eziafa, why are you two no longer friends? What happened? I know that both of you are very good friends. You two are very tight.
Ozoma,
Yes?
please, I need to focus on what I am doing. Just cut the oranges.
Oh my God, what a beauty. How can Kachuku be having such a beautiful princess? Small Kachuku, very poor and wretched son of a nobody. I don't understand. Am I dreaming or what? Look at Kachu of yesterday. That borrows things from me is now the one going to enjoy this sweet and fresh meat. Kai! Odera, is this thing really happening? Do something. And I believe they have done one or two knocking again. I have not even seen pint, but they have done one or two. No. I must do something. Kachi, this princess is not going to be yours. No. Yes.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, respect the soul. Oniwa marine. Let love be. Rapupa love kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love kojebe. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice.
My brother, I'm following you, don't worry. Hey!
You know, this one that you're walking with.
The thing is, hey! Kachi. Kachi, my man.
Odera,
Yes, my brother.
I think we've escorted you enough.
No.
We need to go back.
You just stand away that place now. Come on, let's go.
No. I need to go home now. Her legs are already hurting her, so we need to go back.
Kachi, why are you doing this?
Tomorrow. Please, we need to go back.
I need her to know my place now because it's very important.
Next time, her feet hurts already.
Kachi, why are you doing this? I need her to know my place because...
Oh dear, don't worry. Next time I will know your place.
Oh,
Yes.
what a nice voice. You're indeed a princess.
Odera, bye-bye.
Bye. Hi. Take care of her for me. I mean, take care of her.
Odera, bye-bye.
Hi. Kachi, why you kwa? Hi. Why you kwa? Hi. Kachi, look at the voice. Look at the laughs. He has refused this girl to know my place. Okay. No, this is not possible. Manu now. How can this guy be enjoying this yellow purple, you know? This is not possible. My friend is so selfish. And I was busy following them. He said, it's okay now, I go. Just like that. I think I need to do something about this. You must see the native doctor. Yes. I need a strong child. A very strong one. I will grab her to myself. This guy cannot be enjoying that girl alone. For the fact she came me to this place. Oh my.
She has gone to hawk her oranges.
Please, can you call her on phone? She's not taking my calls.
Okay then, just please sit. Let me go and get my phone and call her.
I'll wait for you here. Thank you.
Excuse me. Rhoda, please now, I'm begging you, eh? Rhoda, please just calm down, calm down. We can talk about this thing later. I want to sell now. I want to sell my oranges, please. Let's talk about this thing later now, you hear? I'll call you back, please. Later. Bye-bye. Let me even sell my market. What's wrong with this one? Don't understand. You still want more? You don't want any more again? Let me shall give you one. You're my good customer. Let me cut one for you.
Ezeafa, you don't cast though. There's a very big problem.
You didn't attend the wedding anymore.
I did though. The princess ran away.
Ran away to where?
My guy, if you ask me, what I will come ask. I heard from one of the guys that she's no more interested in getting married to the prince anymore.
Really?
Yeah, but it's still a rumor.
And then you should marry her then.
Marry what? Eh?
It's okay. This one is for you, my very good customer. Let me be on my way, okay?
I better get that for me. I will carry your make more for you.
Bye-bye. Excuse
me. I'm surprised, seriously.
Fire,
Why are you staring at me like that?
Okay. Can I ask you a question? A very simple question.
What is that?
Why are you always rude to that girl?
Which girl?
Why are you always rude to the orange seller? Why? Do you hate her? Did she do something wrong to you? Why are you so misogynistic in nature?
So you're not talking to me now because of that orange seller?
No, I want to know. Why do you hate her so much? You're always rude to her anytime you see her in my shop.
My guy, that's not the reason why I'm here. We're talking about what happened at the palace. You're talking about someone that sells.
No, I need to know because you keep chasing her away anytime you see her here.
Ezeafa, you're getting me upset.
No, I just asked a simple question. Why are you rude to her? Why?
I was talking about something. She's talking about another thing here. Didn't you see her? Anytime this girl comes around, you talk to me anyhow. I don't like it.
I am not talking to you. I'm telling you the truth. You can't be chasing her every time you see her in my shop. It's not good now.
It's okay.
You're going to end up chasing away all my customers.
No problem. I just came to give you an update now. Eh? Why are you not talking to me like this? Eh?
And go and marry the princess now. What's my business?
I beg, give me one word. I'm so tired.
I meant it. We don't love each other. Yes. I'm happy she ran away. But
what? But what?
They want me to get married to her elder sister.
Please, how much orange do you want me to tie for you?
What? Talking about the devil. Here she comes. You can give me any amount.
What's going on here?
I was buying some oranges.
My princess. Good day.
I just buy. The dirty ones. Oh, come on, you could have asked me. We have some clean orange juice in the palace. Not this dirty street oranges.
Really?
Oh. Hey! I know you. Aren't you the poor orange seller I usually see at the phone with her show?
Yes, he's my customer.
Yes, what?
Yes, princess.
Good.
Brenda. She is not a poor girl. Don't ascribe people with such description.
Okay.
Especially when you don't know them.
I don't care what you say. Whatever you say cannot stop the ideology I have about her. Quick.
I should. So.
Hey! Come back here. You mannerless child. She didn't sell to your customer, yet you want to leave. No one walks out in the process. That's clear?
Yes, princess.
She will take the road less traveled by her own path. She will take the road less traveled by her own path. With a twinkle.
I can see you have eyes on the prince. You better not. Stay for the purpose. Marketing watch.
So bright, with a smile so bright, dreadful hearts, evil hearts. She don't want to be controlled. With a smile so bright, with a smile so bright. She don't want to be controlled. Dreadful hearts, evil.
Boy, this boy. They say me and you look alike. We don't look alike in any way.
Guy, calm down. What's all this now? Eh? I want the best for you, guy. You told me you were dating a princess of this community. So what is it? Do you know how many guys we should be in this your position?
Thank you very much. I am not one of those guys. I am not. And I don't want to be. Listen, I'm very comfortable. I have a job. Okay? A well-paying job. I don't need to be with the princess to survive. Guy, I don't care about her wealth.
Guy, this Papa get money. What did he do you now, guy? You need to chop her. You don't care about any. I don't even care if she respects you or not. You are just concerned about the money. Guy, what's wrong with you now? Why are you doing as if you don't know what's up?
I'm not interested. I don't care. Listen, I can't. She wants to keep sleeping with me. Look at me, I'm losing weight. I'm tired. Is it by force? It's not by force. I don't want her anymore.
Guy, you need this bar. Your mom needs money. Your sister needs money for school fees. You even have the rent to pay. You are depending on this thing.
I will make the money here. If I fix 4 phones, I'm good.
If you fix 4 phones, my guy, I want 1,500. Guy, you stop this now, my guy. You don't pass all these things. Eh? why are you acting as if you don't know what's up? Huh?
Listen, I don't want to be a part of that. I don't like her. I don't want to be called a toy boy because that's what she wants. And see,
calm down. Greetings, my princess.
Okay, well, excuse us.
Later now.
You say what?
I'll see you later now.
See you being where?
I'll see you later, my guy. No worry.
Why have you not been picking my calls?
I've been busy.
Too busy for me? Easiafa, don't push me. How dare you? How dare you turn the princess of this kingdom down? Do not embarrass
No,
me.
you're the one embarrassing yourself. Because I said, I am done. I don't want this anymore. I'm tired. It's not by force. I'm not the only man in this village. Do you understand? I have my business to focus on. You have to leave me, please.
You are done. You can't be done. You're only done when I say so. I am the princess of this kingdom. Do not push me, Eziafa. I own this kingdom. I own you. You do not call the shots. Do you understand me?
She will take the road less traveled by her own path. She will take the road less traveled by her own path. With a twinkle in her eyes, with a twinkle in her eyes, her word.
Sister, talk to them, sister. I'm tired. I was scared of this place, though. I'm tired. I'm not doing it slow. I'm not the princess that ran away. I'm not doing it slow. Please.
Onyeka, keep quiet.
Which kind of keep quiet? Did I kill anybody? Did I commit murder? What did I do? It was only ice cream I leaked. Did I plan anything with the princess somehow? What did I do? Leave me here.
Look, the king is not convinced that he didn't plan anything with his daughter.
I did not have any plot. I did not plan anything with his daughter. I did not do anything. Are they crazy? Who am I? Who me? Who I be? Don't be driver be. Wait till I sabi plan. I don't plan anything. Make them free me. I scared of this place though. I scared of this place.
Shut up! It's obvious you want to die.
Shut up there. You crazy. See your car there now. See your eye. Wait till they worry yourself. See your car. We follow me there. You know anything about ice cream?
Calm down.
Please don't say you talk to me anyhow. Don't fire you there.
Calm down, Onyeka. Have you eaten something?
See me now, see me. I feel like we don't eat anything. I'm not eating. I'm not eating. See, I'm not eating.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat chicken and ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ice
Again,
cream.
you haven't learned your lesson.
No, see that ice cream. That one is blocked. Give me the one that is not cold. Okay, don't give me ice cream. I don't want ice cream. Ice cream. Thunder fire your ice cream. God punish you. Ice cream. God punish you. Ice cream.
I have nothing to say concerning the punishment.
Your cousin brother was so foolish as to let the princess Isioma out of his sight.
But he didn't know her intentions.
That was not an excuse. Onyekachi claimed he took an ice cream laced with a sleeping substance given to him by the princess, yet he did not sense anything. Has she given him such a thing before?
My queen.
Doris, that was a planned deal. They planned my daughter's escape. Till Onyekachi confesses my daughter's whereabouts, he will never gain his freedom.
I don't know what to say anymore, my queen. But my queen, I am very certain that Onyekachi cannot...
Please! Doris, I am very angry at the moment, and I wouldn't want you to mention anything concerning Onyekachi and his negligence. I have not even heard from my daughter, and you are here soliciting for his release. Get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, my queen.
No, get out of my sight! Out! Get out!
Mama, sorry. You'll be fine, eh?
My son,
I'm
dying slowly.
No, Mama, don't talk like that, eh? You can't die slowly now, eh? You'll be fine. It's just neck cold. Eh? Hey, Ariana, my body is hot.
My love, who owns the car?
Oh, I quickly rushed to get a car from the car stand I saw on your way coming here.
What?
I want us to take Mama to the hospital in the city. We can as well live there.
You bought a car? Hey, this is too much now, eh? This is too much. You're causing me more problems.
My love, let's take Mama to the hospital first. We will talk about this later. Let's go, Mama.
Hey.
Sorry, eh? Let's go. Let's stand up. Let's go. Let's
Okay,
go.
Mama, let's go to the hospital first. Kawa.
My love, let's go.
Mama, just try. No more.
Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, go respect the soul. Anyone marine, let love be. Rapuba love, kojebe love.
Onyania, Gachi.
Respect each other.
Where is your mother?
Oh, Auntie, I've taken her to the hospital. Her body is getting worse by the day. Yes, I have to rush her to the hospital. I came to pick some clothes for her. Yes.
Okay, Emo, where is the princess that the other guy told me that I came here?
Oh, she's at the hospital looking after Mama while I come to pick up things.
Now, please take very good care of her. Marcelo, which hospital?
Auntie Okudile Hospital.
I feel I will come and see her. I will come and see her.
All right, Auntie.
Let love heal. Respect the soul. Anyone marine, let love be. Rapuba love, kojebe love we are. Kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is
My son.
Yes, my son.
You want to get married to Princess Isioma?
Osborne, that's why I'm here.
It's done.
Eh? Hi! I said it. Ekurumia.
So I swanya so did the sopia. Ebe mo bre buru kokoko rim pupu mo bre bi mo ru kokoko za won kelu. Hey! Tata mri na tapo ala. Obre nsi na emebi ike. My son.
Yes, my son.
Her name is Princess Isioma.
Excellent.
Call her name. My son. Her name is Princess Isioma. Call her name 3 times. Once you get to her house. Immediately she stepped out and looked into your eyes. Then the charm will attract her. She will go in and pack her things and follow you to your house.
Hi! Just like that?
Just like that, my son.
Hi! That's what I'm talking about you. Hi!
You may have it.
Look here. Look here. This is it. Very simple. Hi! Thank you so much, my son. Yeah?
Remember, call her name 3 times.
Exactly.
And she's all yours.
Hi! Princess Isioma! Princess Isioma!
No! Get on and do that.
Here I come. Get beggy. Nga tagi. Nga doggy vam vam vam. Tata kibera. Tata kanga tagi. Oh, Kachi. Oh, you think you are smart? That girl is mine. Get beggy.
Huh?
It's a mobutu. Calm down. You will understand very soon. Hi! Thank you so much. You are a true son of your father. Hi!
You may leave.
Ozubono. And a boggin and car. Come get roll.
Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? Isioma?
Is that my daughter?
Yes, Mom, I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. Mom, I'm sorry that I left the palace this way. But I don't love the prince. I don't like him. You people want to use the marriage to gain favor from his father at the detriment of my own peace and happiness. Mom, I'm fine where I am. I don't need to tell you or Dad where I am, but I'm fine. Kachi. Yes, I'm with Kachi. No, Mom, we don't have anything to say. This is not my line. Bye. I love you.
My love, your mother.
Yes.
Hey, I am scared. I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared. I'm the princess. Just calm down. I know what I want.
I know what I am saying. I'm scared. Your mother can do anything.
My mother cannot do anything to you. Calm down. Nothing is happening. You are with me. We need to go and give Mama food. Let's go.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl.
My lord, Princess Isioma has truly gone to be with Kachi, her driver.
Urena! Where's Urena? Urena!
Father!
Come here.
Yes, Father.
I want you to block every account linking your younger sister.
And block every access she has to getting funds from my company.
My lord.
Shut up. And lastly, I want you to track that idiot. Yes. Track the driver. When I lay my hands on that idiot, I'm going to behead him. I'm going to kill him.
Dad?
Do so now.
Ure, are you going to do that to your sister? How is she going to survive?
You are not my father. His wish, I shall do.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Respect the soul.
Block her accounts. Close down her business. Close down all source of income. Do you want me to repeat myself? I said block her accounts. Close her business. You see that tiny little thing she's doing? Lock it up. Do you understand? Thank you.
Let's check stuff.
My princess, please.
can't.
What?
Sorry.
Did you just push me?
Oh no, my princess, I'm sorry. I can't.
You can't what?
My princess, please, may the God forbid I lay with you. I can't betray my own self.
How dare you? Don't you lay with the maids?
God forbid. I can't do such a thing.
You're lying! Get out!
Please.
Get out!
Please.
Get out!
Please.
Get out!
No, now. You can't do this to your blood sister. You overstepped the order. Why intrude in her personal business?
I did not overstep anything. My father said everything, and that's what I did.
And you have to block her account? Order that her personal business be shut down? Her fabric shop? Her company? Ure. You can't be this cruel to your sister. Your own blood. Do you want her to die?
And if she doesn't want to die, let her come back to the palace. It's very simple.
But this matter has been settled. Ure, you are getting married to Prince Obinna. I know that is what you have wanted all this while. Talk sense into your father.
My father is a man of wisdom. I am my father's daughter. It's you who needs to be talking to. Excuse me.
Witness my so bright. Witness my so bright.
Hooray.
Dreadful hearts, evil heart. You don't want to be controlled. Witness my so bright. Witness my so bright. She don't want to be controlled.
Isioma, Isioma, I command you to love me. Anything I say, you do. Isioma, Isioma, you are mad.
My love. My heartbeat.
Hey!
Did you come for me?
Fire.
Oh, God! I love you, baby.
Which baby?
I love you, baby.
My mother, what are you doing here?
I'm all for you. My heart beats for you.
Heart?
Oh! Odera! Odera! You complete me. Please come.
Your mama? What woman like you?
No! I'm young in the spirit. My love, come and eat
fire.
I cooked good soup.
It's your mother.
With those put off phone. I cooked it. Come, baby.
Mother, what's going on here?
I'm here for you. Don't need this. Come, baby.
Hi! Mother, what's
going on?
You don't need
to run away, my love.
It's your ma.
Oh, God.
What's going on?
What's wrong with you? I'm getting a make it. I said I love you. Can you hear that? Nah, baby, come, bro. My love. My love.
Hi! Mother!
I love you, baby. My love. Come me. Odera. Odera, my love.
I'm about to be
good. Odera. Odera. Oh, let's go inside. Odera. I am.
How are you?
Odera. Odera.
Hi, go.
Odera.
I don't like the way you're looking. Yeah? Just brighten up a little.
How am I supposed to brighten up? Why would my father do this to me? He locked all the access to my account, including my business, my fabric store, everything.
Oh, okay. What if you go to the palace and see if they are something activities?
Babe, how am I supposed to pay the medical bills? I'm pissed right now. I'm pissed. Your mother will be operated tomorrow and we need to pay the complete payment before she will be discharged. How am I going to do it?
You don't know of us. You just have to calm down. Eh? Calm down. Let's go inside first and then we think of something.
How are we going to feed? How are we going to buy clothes? How are we going to pay everything?
Just calm down. I understand how you feel. At least we have a car. I can use it to do some kabu and then see if I can use some money.
Why would my father do this to me? Because I refuse to marry the prince.
We are in a world where love should be. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love.
Mom, I can't hide it. I can't fake it. I don't want Princess Urina.
Obinna.
Mom, she has no regards for humans.
But we had plans, don't we?
What plans are you talking about, Mom? I don't want to be a polygamous prince. No, I don't.
My friend, listen. You must obey your father. I'm here trying to make you see reasons, and you're talking rubbish.
Mom, I heard she's seeing someone else. Someone from another kingdom. A phone engineer. Someone who fixes phones. Well, I don't care. All I know is that I will not love her.
Did you hear yourself? What do you mean a phone engineer? I mean how? Such a classy princess. You know what? I don't care anymore. You will not let this second one slide away just like that. Focus on your father's business and marry Princess Urena. That's on period.
Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter.
Yeah. No. Just a little problem. Sir, the screen is bad. We have to change the screen, then you pay for my service. So I said the screen is bad. Yes. We're going to buy a new screen. Then once I fix it, I'll now charge you for mine. It's just 12,000, sir. Okay. Well, once I'm done, I'll bring it to your office, sir. Okay, thank you. Uzoma, what are you doing here? Uzoma, get up. Uzoma, are you okay? Why are you shaking?
Let love heal. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe, kojebe love we are, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish.
Uzoma, I'm back. I bought you food. Uzoma, you have to sit up and eat your food. The doctor said you have to eat so that the medication can work. Eh?
I'm not hungry.
Get up. Sit up. It's important so that the medication can work.
No, but I'm not hungry.
Uzoma, get up. Sit up now. Sit up, don't worry, just sit up. You'll be fine. Eh?
Okay, but why are you doing that?
Don't ask me any question because I won't answer you. You have to eat first. Then I can answer your question. There's pepper so that you can. Is it hot? It's okay. Hey, wait. Come. Where are you going now? Are you running away? Huh? Open your mouth and eat this food. The jollof rice is very sweet. Eat some more now. Huh?
As a picture.
What did you say happened here today?
My princess, is that girl that sells orange? She passed out at the shop and he took her to a clinic for treatment.
Hold on. He took the girl to the hospital because she fainted in his shop.
Yes, my princess. Since then, I've been trying to contact him. His number is not going. I don't know what is wrong, my princess. I am really worried too.
Do you know the way to the hospital?
No, my princess. He refused telling me. He hurriedly left the shop.
Do you know our house address?
Yes, my princess. I think I know her house address. I can direct you to my place.
What are you saying? She fainted? How? When? Are you telling me now? Where is she now? Where is she? Okay, I'll be there. Hey, open the gates.
There's no one here. The Zephyr is not taking his calls.
Guy, where you dey go now? You don't finish your work?
So I've been trying to call Ozioma to check up on her. You know she's been sick and no one is taking the call.
And so? Guy, what's wrong with you now? What did they do you? Eh? What are you doing with this orange seller? Why you dey form my hand like this now?
Okay, what is the problem now? Eh? How is trying to check up on Ozioma who's been sick a problem to you? When you were sick and hospitalized for 3 days, did I not check up on you? Why are you doing this?
But that's a different case now. We are pals. I'm your friend. But not that orange seller. Guy, you dey form my hand though. Eh? See Princess Ure. A girl trying to help you and you're here following your hand with that orange girl. What's wrong with you now, my guy?
Okay, I'm less busy today. That means I don't have too much work. So look after the shop for me. If anyone comes to look for me, tell them I'm not around. I'll be back. Let me find out why Ozioma is not taking her calls.
Guy, stop this thing you are doing now, eh? Stop this thing you are doing. Hey, Zafa! What did they do this boy, sef? Eh? You see fine princess like this where they die for you. They follow a person where they say orange. Me, you know, be say this guy don't chop this girl. Eh? Because I don't understand this one where you do care.
Get in.
What?
Get into the car. I need to talk to you.
I should get into the car. You want to talk to me? Talk to me about what?
Ezef, I don't have time for your silly games. Get into the car.
And if I refuse, in fact, I won't do that. Sorry. You're not my mother. You can't order me like that. You're giving me orders. I should get into the car. I don't understand. What does that mean?
What is that?
Excuse me?
What do you have in your hand?
Are you for real? None of your business. It doesn't concern you.
What is wrong with you? Why are you behaving like this? Are you expecting me to apologize to you over what happened the other day? I'm a princess, for crying out loud. We don't apologize.
I don't expect anything from you. See, what do you have to say? I need to go, please.
I need you to get into the car.
What has come over you?
Why are you doing this?
Listen. I entered this car for one thing. So tell me what you need to tell me. And you have to be fast about it.
Why are you starving me?
Hmm?
I am literally going crazy over you. I can't get you off my mind.
Are you alright? We are no longer together. I have moved on. So you need to move on.
I'll give you 20 million. And a car. Whatever you want. Just name it.
Princess. I don't want your money. I don't want your gifts. Okay? I am not interested. Please.
So you chose the orange seller over me?
That orange seller is my best friend. And right now, she's sick. So I'm going to see her.
You go nowhere. And as for that orange seller, once I set my eyes on her, she will regret her life.
Evil heart, with a smile so bright, with a smile so bright, dreadful heart.
Like I said, I don't love her. I don't even want to imagine it. But to know who said I have to do it, just to fulfill all righteousness for the sake of my father and his company.
Okay, Ziafa.
You're welcome. Uzoma, I'll be on my way now. See you some other time.
Okay. Bye-bye.
How are you feeling?
Good.
I brought you some fruits.
Oh. Thank you. Let's go and sit down.
I have to start going.
Okay, thank you so much for the gift.
You're welcome. I came to see how you're doing. I know you've been feeling sick, so.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine. Why?
If it's about the prince, like it doesn't mean anything. He's Rhoda's friend, not my friend.
No, I'm fine. No. I'm Rhoda's friend.
Yes.
Well, it doesn't concern me. It's none of my business. I just came to say hello to you because I know you've not been feeling well.
Okay, that's fine.
So I have to start going.
Please, I'll resume selling my oranges tomorrow. Can you help me? I want to just start selling beside your shop. I don't want to hawk again.
Okay, you want me to create a space for you?
Yeah,
to sell in front of my shop?
Yes.
That's not a problem. I can do that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, just a moment. Let me take these things inside.
No problem. I'll wait for you.
Sit down and wait for me now.
Do not show up, please.
Okay. I have to leave for now.
Are you sure you're fully recovered? Don't you think you should stay one more day and get some rest before
No.
you start selling your oranges again?
No, I'm fine. I'm better now. I'm very, very okay.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay, no problem. In that case, I'll see you later. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a God. Rapuno love waka, go see away. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's spread the love, not fear and control. Let us be the change that makes hearts whole. Kindness is key to a love that is real. Let love heal. Respect the soul. On Let love be. Rapupa love kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish.
Have you woken up?
Yes. What are you doing? You're washing.
I saw some dirty clothes. I decided to wash for you. Are you okay? Sorry.
Just tired. Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you feeling?
A bit better.
Oh, that's good.
Just give me the other one so I can...
No, don't worry. I'll help you do it. I'll help you wash them. Don't worry, you don't have to worry. I'll help you wash them. Wash. What is it? Why are you looking at me?
It's just that you're a good man.
Huh?
You are kind. And you're very good. Thank you.
I'm kind because I'm helping you wash clothes.
But you are Ezeafa.
Woo!
Thank you.
You are welcome. What's your mom?
Because your mom. So it's because of this Yafa you're treating me this way.
Oh, please shut up first.
How? Who invited you here? Did I invite you to my house?
Ozuma, Ezeafa has the princess in his life. He does not love you. He just wants to use you. He will only use and dump you. That's all you will get. Ozuma, I care about you and that's why I'm telling you this.
Oh, really? You care about me. Do you know you're a hypocrite? You're a hypocrite. Oh. Like that's not what you want. Is it not the same thing you want from me? I don't get it. Listen, if that is all Ezeafa has to offer, I don't mind though. I will invite him to the house. He will sleep with me, do whatever it is he wants with me, and then go. I'm very, very okay. Do you understand it?
That is what you're telling me, right?
Yes, that's what I'm telling you.
Let's bet he will use and dump you. No, let's place a bet.
He will use and dump me?
Yes.
So long as he uses me fine. Let him use me very, very okay. And dump me very fine. I am good. Do you get it? So if you're done, please get out.
That guy is a slow poison. I know him very well. He doesn't mean good for you.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house!
You will regret this. I promise you.
Get
Okay, Ziafa.
You're welcome. Uzoma, I will be on my way now. See you some other time.
Okay. Bye-bye.
How are you feeling?
Good.
I brought you some fruits.
Oh. Thank you. Let's go and sit down.
This is not funny. Man, it's not funny now.
Why are you breathing like a dog being chased by the owner? I told you to mention her name.
I mentioned her name. I called her name. And after doing that, the old woman walked out from the building. What would I have done?
Is her name Isioma?
Ezomo, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Please, you have to do something about this. The embarrassment is too much. This woman has been following me about from one place to another since yesterday. And I have no rest at all. I cannot even stay in my house. I cannot do anything. An old woman calling me baby. Ezomo, look at me. Somebody who is old enough to be my mother is calling me baby. Calling me honey. Hey, Ezomo, do something.
If her name is Isioma, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. Because it's just someone's name that the chant can be effective.
Ezomo, please. I called her name. In fact, I mentioned Princess Iso. Hey, that is true. Ezomo, I did not call Princess Isoma. I only shouted, Isioma, Isioma. Hey! Someone, you have to do something because you know, Maka, just help me, please. Hey.
Odera! I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about that. Just go and get married to her. Period.
Ezomo.
Me right.
Ezomo Imoma. Ezomo Imoma. Do you know what you're saying? Hi, Ezomo. Somebody who's old enough to be my mother. You are telling me I should go and marry. Marry who? No, Ezomo, stop saying this now. Stop saying this. I don't like this. I don't like this now. You have to do something, please. You have to do something, Ezomo, please. Please.
Odera!
Ezomo.
Leave my shrine.
Keke, leave your shrine. I'm talking about my safety. You are telling me leave your shrine. Now, Ezomo, don't allow me to scatter things. Say, what's the meaning of this?
Odera!
Yes, I'm telling you.
Leave my shrine. Yes!
F what?
Kogibi. You should have waited. You see, Kote Vlev La Maya. Soya, so de Sopia.
Finally, you've gained your freedom. Good for you. Now go and prepare your taking me to Anikino.
My queen? And what? No, my queen, please. I don't want to drive anybody. I don't want to drive anywhere else again. I don't want to drive. See, my queen, I said I'll come and tell you I want to officially resign. Because if I drive you now, you might give me another thing to eat in the car and the king will just behead me. Please, I want to resign. I don't want to drive again. I want to go back to my village. If it is farm, I will be farming. If it is goats or cow, I will just be rearing. I don't want to drive again.
Onyeka!
My queen.
Before you run your mouth, do you realize who you are standing before?
Oh, my queen, I know. My queen, you know, I cannot drive. I don't want the king to kill me.
It's okay, let me just tell you this. By the time I am ready to go and you are not there to take me, I will make sure I pull your eyeballs, give it to you to eat.
My girl, I don't want to drive again. I don't want to drive again. Just I want to go back to my village. I don't want to I want to drive again. I don't want to drive anywhere else.
What is happening to you? What is it, old man? Huh? Do I know you? Do I know you? I'm a Igbo. Yes. I don't know you.
I am your husband.
Hey.
Your husband.
Walker.
The father of our 8 children.
Mama.
Yes.
I don't know you. You are an old man. I am going to my love. Odera, my love. I am going to his house. How? Odera, here I come. Old man, stop following me.
Who is this Odera that has confused you? What this Odera did to you? That you do not recognize me again.
Old man, I don't know you.
You are my wife.
Yes. I am Odera's wife. Young, vibrant. My love. Odera is a young, vibrant man. I love you.
Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Why are you leaving the 8 children we have? Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
I don't know you. You don't know me. I've not seen you before. Ogini, get in the 8 children. Old man, for the last time, I'm going to meet Odera. Odera, my love. Hey. Odera, my heartbeat. The one my heart beats for. Odera,
Who is this Odera that is snatching my wife?
Wait. Hold on. What is this? The prince goes there often.
Yes, my princess. He goes there often.
What? That dirty, smelly, smiley orange seller. That demented and bipolar candidate. Really? How long has this been going on?
For some time now, princess. So.
No way. No way. I said it. I said it. I said that. The prince. And that dirty orange seller, they're up to something. That girl is a witch.
A confirmed witch?
She is a witch. And she has charmed all the men in my life.
Yes.
She's after me. She's after my life. She's after me.
With a smile so bright. With a smile so bright.
My prince.
My queen.
I hope your relationship with my daughter is going on well.
Oh, very well, my queen. Everything is going absolutely well.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I am happy to hear that.
My queen, what about Isioma?
Mother, you here?
Are you okay? You are not looking happy at all.
Prince Obinna, can I see you?
I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. Prince Obinna.
Her Majesty, Mother, please excuse me.
It's all right. I can see they are getting along.
Yes, they are.
Mrs. Urena, stay out of my business. You and I had an agreement about this mirage we call a relationship. Stay out of my business. Why I don't care about what you do with your life.
Enough, Obinna. You're talking to me like this because of that poor, smelly orange seller. I will not have you belittle me. I will not have you slap me on the face by going to see that girl. I will not.
Verena, I don't care what you call her. You have no stand in my affair. You are dating the phone engineer guy, right? Oh, should I say, he doesn't want you. Yet, I did not meddle. Let me make this clear to you. You have no slightest idea what this girl is made of. Watch the way you slander her in my presence. I love that girl, and nothing will stop me from loving her.
You will not disgrace the sanctity of royalty by dating that girl. You will not. And if you continue, I will expose this unrealistic relationship. I will tell your father that we have been faking this whole affair. Guess who will lose at the end? You.
My queen, you see as I dey drive you like this. Hey, you know, not be you won't drive. Oh. Now my princess, as we come be like this now, and we come dey drive you everywhere, they carry you up and down.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm saying, my queen, the princess have to apologize to me. Yes, I need a royal apology, because the way they flog me that day, they flog me no good. Oh.
Shut up! Onyeka, are you okay? That my daughter should apologize to you? A common driver like you?
My queen, yeah, even though I'm a common driver, but what she did is not good. She just ran away, and the guy didn't go and ask the guy to flog me. That day I nearly died. In short, I died. It was my grandmother who died 2,000 years ago, who now saw me in the land of the dead, was now saying, my pikin, my child, please, you know, you don't have to die. You have to go back to the land of the living. It was that my grandmother that brought me back to life. If not, I don't die. I went through a lot that day, and a lot went through me. That is small of her. So she must apologize to me.
Will you shut up on that? What is wrong with you? Onyeka, I can see that you are mentally deranged. By the way, did you even go through any interview before you acquired this job? Oh, now I remember. Doris brought you.
My queen, now that you remember that it was Auntie Doris that brought me, so you tell the princess to apologize to me. I need a royal apology.
Shut up and drive.
Oh, shut up and drive. I know that song. Rihanna and Jay-Z. Shut up and drive. Hey, I love that song.
Fool.
Oh, fool. That's the name of a movie. That movie, very interesting. You see, my queen, anytime you have time, like you have free time, just go and watch that movie. Fool. It's very interesting. My queen, you need to watch that movie. That movie is very interesting. My queen. Hey. But my queen.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
What is this? My queen, I'm trying to. But the princess must apologize to me. I will not accept. The princess must apologize to me. See me now, a pilot like me, a perfect driver. No. She must apologize to me.
Sioma doesn't seem to bother about my sanction against her. Closing her accounts. I expect that she'll come running to me. And yet up to now, she hasn't. I think it's high time I sent the guy and the police after her. Especially that boy. Yes. This.
My lord, why are you heartless? Our daughter is out there, crying, hungry, dying, lamenting.
Woman, can I have some peace?
You can't have peace. You froze her account. There are other ways to punish a child, not denying her access to her own business, her bank account. Do you want to kill that girl?
If that's how she will end the discussion of her life, I do not know.
My lord, you have to stop. It's getting out of hand already. What is all this? Isioma cannot marry Prince Obinna. Let us focus on Prince Obinna and Uremna.
My daughter cannot marry a common driver. My daughter cannot marry a useless driver without pedigree. No way. I will not allow her to bring the royal family to a disrepute. Not in my time. I will go and look for her. And I'll bring her back to this palace.
My son, you have to calm down. You have to.
That lady is so boastful. Insulting. And always downgrading people. Is that the kind of lady you want to be my queen? She's so irritating. We are not compatible.
Obinna, I know. But you don't have to keep repeating this. You must have to impress your father that you're working out things with her. Convince your dad first.
Mom, you already know the girl I love and want. Yes, you do.
Obinna, you cannot bring in such a girl into this palace. Yes, she is below our standard, our class.
I don't care. I do not care.
Hey! This boy will not put me into trouble again.
Oga, may also on a fast now.
Calm down now. So you're hurrying me. Hope it's complete.
Oga, 100% complete. You go the complete. Please.
Habits.
Cha-cha.
Listen, just go to her now. Yes? Touch any part of her body. But if you touch her, she will follow you to your house. And anything you say, she will obey you once. Yes.
But Oga, you know I want to take her to a hotel. And you told me to plant camera everywhere. But the problem now, you say she will regain consciousness in a short while.
You don't want her to regain consciousness. Do you pay for permanent charm?
Oga, that one is too expensive now. Where will I see such amount?
Listen, what I give to you is what you paid for. What you do for me is that immediately you're done with it, come back to me. I'll fortify it again.
Hey, Oga, are you sure? Are you sure? Me, I don't want problem.
Sure is, am I sure? It's not what you paid for.
Anyways, okay, I trust you.
I
I know what you can do.
Listen, just go and enjoy yourself.
Yes, oh.
Once you touch her, one touch,
Hey!
will follow you.
But which finger will I wear it? Which of my fingers? Is it this index or thumb?
Anywhere you wear it.
Anywhere
Okay.
I can wear it,
Yes.
have you?
Just go now. Go and have fun.
Hey!
Enjoy yourself.
Hey!
My man.
Hey!
My man.
Hey!
Go
Okay.
enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Hey! Hey! Now, Ozioma, now me and you for this village. I go knock fire come up for your body. Now me and you. You will see. Hey!
Odera. Why is his wife staying in your house? I am here to hear. Speak!
Nine. I don't understand this question. Why are you asking me this question? I'm not even staying in my own house. I don't know why Mama Ada will take her belongings and occupy my house. Why? Makaginezi? Eh? This is not fair. It's as if she's insane or something. Eh?
Look, Isioma, my wife, is not insane. Huh? She is not insane. You did something to her. You did something, snatch her heart, snatch her soul, and snatch her love. You snatch my wife from me. And you are saying now that she is insane. Is my wife insane? No. It's not insane.
Hi, Nine. Are you the one saying this?
Yes.
Me snatched your wife from you.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot even imagine myself snatching my mother as wife. I don't know. I don't understand what is happening. I don't know what is happening to your wife. Oh, I'm innocent, Biko. I'm innocent.
Odera, are you sure? Are you certain? I am asking because what an old man sees sitting, a child cannot see it standing, even if you climb an iroko. I'm not going to maybe you go agree with you.
Kakachi, you are my friend. I have said everything. I'm innocent. I don't know what they are saying.
Oh dear, I don't know what else to believe right now. I don't know what else to believe anymore. I don't know what to believe again. My auntie cannot just pack her things and come to your house. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is certainly not right.
Yes! Yes, something is not right. He knows what he did to my wife, to snatch her. He snatched her soul, snatched her spirit, and took everything away from me.
Rapogodi nke snatching her. He doesn't got into.
Oh, that is what he did.
Which one is snatching? Snatch,
You took my wife away.
Which part? I don't understand. Nah, please, I don't like what you're saying. No. I did not do anything to your wife. No, I will not take this one from you now.
Why are you locking her in your house? You come here to pretend. Give me my wife. Give me my wife. It's okay.
I don't like this.
It's okay. Enough. Enough.
Keep quiet now.
It's okay. It's okay. Enough. It's okay. Odera, I give you 4 hours. I mean 4 good hours to chase that old woman out of your house. Or otherwise you see the rot of the use of this village.
Nah, bring it on. What are you saying? Bring it on. What are you saying? We are talking about I'm innocent. You are telling me you are giving me 5 hours. 1 month. What is the meaning of this?
Have you gone mad? In Ayala? Is 4 days too much for you to chase the woman that has occupied your house out of your house? In I say they should give you 1 month. Do you want to pregnant my auntie?
See, Kachi, stay away from this. Why are they accusing me wrongly now? What is the meaning of this?
So why is my auntie in your house? So keep quiet.
Odera, listen and listen good. Don't let this get to nightfall. I've told you. Look, if he doesn't want to release her, the gods know what I will do to him.
Nah, it's okay, Nai. Please, just go home. Your wife will come back to you. We'll find a solution to this.
You don't see all the young women that will carry my wife. It's not going to go.
I'm innocent. I did not do anything to your wife.
Let's go. If you don't bring that my wife that time he gave you, if you get off father.
It's okay, Makabibi.
Go, make sure you go
to the house. Of this man will fall here.
They should go and take her from that house now. Take her away from that house now. What is this?
How did my auntie end up in your house? And then you keep quiet. And then you're not even helping matters. You're looking for 1 month. You try to come one money.
A lover's call.
You will regret your entire existence. It is a promise. Trust me.
Who are you? Who are you to her? Why are you protecting her? Why are you loving her when she's loving another? Who is she to you?
I will not repeat myself again, Princess Verena. Try it, and you shall see the outcome.
Prince Obinna, is that a threat?